welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm Base Box for the month of May. They sent me this in PR, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. They have the base box, which is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size beauty items. And the Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and it includes 6 to 7 full-size items. So let's get started to the unboxing. Okay, so here's the box, and right here I see the card with the theme for this month. So the theme is Boxycharm Flourish. Boxycharm Flourish. This is so cute. It's like flowers all over the place, and it's so special because it's the month of Mother's Day. And I'm really happy that they chose this theme with flowers and stuff. It's really pretty. And it's a coincidence that the theme is like flowers. And I just did makeup with flowers. So as you can see, I did like a little flower here. And my nails are yellow. It's so cool, and it's amazing for this theme. So I like that. And then on the bag is all of the items that's in this box with the price and the description. So we'll be looking at this while I take out the items, and at the end we're gonna add up everything to see the value. Usually the value of the base box with everything is $125 or more. So let's see what I have here. The first thing I have is from the brand Murad, which is really cool. I really like this brand. Their acne line is amazing, so I like it. This is the Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. Okay, let's see the packaging of this. Ooh, it's really pretty packaging actually. I really like this. And then I think, okay, so I think that the product comes out by here. Like you're supposed to push it and the product comes out by here. This is so cool. This is like the first time that I've seen a packaging like this. Like usually it's like you stick your finger in there and then just get the moisturizer, but this is very cool that they have that, like that you don't waste our product and you don't contaminate the product with your fingers and stuff. So I like this, like the packaging is really good. I like that. And let's see the price of this. This is actually $74. $74 this. And this is a detoxify, revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. So that's just amazing and what I need. So next product I have is from the brand Dry Bar. And this is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. Ooh, it says Broom Thermal Protective. Okay, so it's a mist to protect your hair. That is so cool. It says how to serve for use on dry hair. Shake, well, lift sections of dry hair and spray throughout before using hot tools. So this is kind of like, the packaging is similar to like dry shampoo. So that's interesting. Let's read a little about that. It says the Dry Bar, a lightweight spray, protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 Fahrenheit. And the retail price of this is $27. Next item I have here is some brushes. It's a brush set, and I love my brushes. Like I love getting brushes. I always need new ones. And this is from the brand Lavish. And I believe I've seen this brand before in Boxycharm, so I'm glad that they put it here again. And the colors are really nice. I like the yellow and green combination. Plus, I'm wearing the yellow. It's like all makes sense right now. Okay, so there's 5 eye brushes. So the first one, let me see if it says the name of it. No, it does not say the name of the brushes. So this is an angle. Put this here to show you guys. Okay, so the first one is like an angle fluffy brush, and it seems that it's really soft. So that's good. Next is an angle flat brush. This is perfect to create that wing line That's great. Next is a pencil brush. Next, we have a fluffy brush. So this is like a blending brush. And then finally, it's like a flat kind of fluffy brush. This is perfect to pack on the eyeshadow colors. So I really like this package of eye brushes. Let's see the price of this. It's $30. Next item, it's from Mellow Cosmetics. This is the liquid lip gloss. So let's check out the color, and it says that it's the Sun-Tropes, okay? So the color, ooh, I like this color. It's like a pretty mauvey color. So like it says, it's a gloss. So I'm not sure if you're gonna get like a lot of pigment, but I hope you do. And let's see the price of this. Okay, this is the Mellow Cosmetic Lip Gloss, and it's $18. Okay, so it seems like a nice color. I hope that it has some pigment. I'm not sure, but I don't want to like open it just in case. Whatever I don't open or don't use is because I leave it for a future giveaway. So now the last product I have here is from the brand Cap Cosmetics. And I have seen this brand before in Boxycharm as well. And this is the Day and Night. It's, I believe, oh yeah, it's Day and Night eyeshadow palette. Oh yes. I love my eyeshadow palettes as well. I love receiving eyeshadow palettes, so I like that. So it comes to the huge mirror, and then there are all of these beautiful warm tones, which I love. There's a lot of shimmers and matte shades. You can literally work with any of these colors to create like a bold, a natural, a warm look. And I like what I'm looking here right now. It's a purple shimmer shade. The name of it is Twinkle Twinkle, which is so cute, and that reminds me of my baby boys. So I like that. Here's a closer look of all of the shades of this palette, which are stunning, and I can't wait to try this and create a look for you guys. So let's see the price of this. It says that this is worth $52, so that's pretty amazing to get this. So I love that Boxycharm, they always include new brands and already recognized brands. It's like a mix, and you get to try different brands, different products, which means that otherwise you wouldn't try it by yourself. You wouldn't like buy and pay $50-something for a palette, because it's much better to just pay $25 and get it here, which I love. And for members, they do offer like many perks. They, for example, every month they have add-on stores, which you could add to your monthly subscription of things worth really high prices, and they give it for like a very discount price, $12, $5. It's like variety of prices. So that is just wonderful. I love this Boxycharm, and I think it's a great gift for yourself or for anyone that you love. You want to give something, you can gift a subscription like this. And if you guys want to check out their subscription, I will have the link in my bio. It is an affiliate code, so I do earn a small percentage if you subscribe, but that's okay. You don't need to use it. You could just go directly to the website and sign up. They do have all the times different promotions. Like for example, you sign up, let's say this month, and they give you a free palette or something from your choice. So make sure to check that out on their website. So now let's go ahead and add up all of these things and see how much this is actually worth it. Okay, so I have the Murad Moisturizer, which is $74. I have the Cap Cosmetic Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette, which is $52. The Lavish Essential Eye Collection, $30. The Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist, $27. And finally, the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Gloss, which is $18, for a total amount of $201. This is just incredible. This box, you pay $25 and you get a box worth $201. That is just amazing. So I really enjoyed this box. I like that there was a mix of everything. Literally, there was like makeup, there was hair products, skincare products, tools to put your makeup, so to do your makeup with. So that is just incredible and I love it. So thank you very much again, Boxycharm, for sending me this box. I really enjoy it. I can't wait to play with all of these products. And make sure to check my Instagram at Lismania Beauty so you get an idea when I do use these products, the look I create, and how these products work. So thanks again, guys, for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!